Hello, welcome to the class. We're going to continue with the questions that we were doing from the organic chapter. The first question today from the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes we will do. And the first question is complete the following reaction. Complete the following reaction. Number one reaction is plus HI, and what will be the product. The second question is CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH2 plus HBr. What is going to be the product? Now, both this reaction is addition reaction of hydrogen halide into the double bond. Now, this reaction, particular reaction follows Markovnikov rule. So, both of them will follow Markovnikov rule. And as a result, this carbon and this double bonded carbon, the HI will be added. Now, HI, the negative part of this reagent is H minus, will add to that double bonded carbon which is having lesser hydrogen. We know that these hydrogen, these carbon have lesser hydrogen. So, HI is going to be added in here and hydrogen will be added to this carbon, and thus the double bond will be transformed to the single bond. The second one is also Markovnikov rule, will follow Markovnikov addition, and as a result this one having the lesser hydrogen, so Br minus, which is the negative part of the HBr, will add to that carbon and hydrogen will add to the terminal carbon, forming these two products. The next question is a conversion type of question. How are the following conversions carried out? Question number 2. How are the following conversions are carried out? Number 1 conversion is benzyl chloride to benzyl alcohol. Number 2, methyl magnesium bromide to methyl propan 2-ol. Methyl magnesium bromide to 2-methyl propan 2-ol. 2-methyl propan 2-ol. So these are the two conversions that we need to do. The first one, The first thing in doing conversion is to draw the structures of the reactant and the product that we need to convert to. First, the reactant is benzyl chloride, which is this one. CH2Cl benzyl chloride, and converted this benzyl chloride to benzyl alcohol. This is the structure of benzyl alcohol. So the conversion is very easy. If we add aqueous KOH solution and try to do the substitution reaction in aqueous medium, KOH, OH minus acts as nucleophile, and the substitution reaction will happen. So we need to add KOH aqueous solution, and this will happen in just one step. The second conversion is methyl magnesium bromide. Now methyl magnesium bromide is this compound CH3MgBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide. And we need to convert that into 2-methyl propan-2-ol. Propan means 3 carbon, 2-methyl propan-2-ol, that is at 2 position there is a methyl group, and propan-2-ol, that means at 2 position hydroxyl group is present. So this is the structure of 2-methyl propan-2-ol. So how the conversion can occur? There is one methyl group, so we know that this is a Grignard reagent. This methyl group is actually carbon ion. If we add this Grignard reagent into acetone, the carbonyl carbon of acetone is electron deficient, and it will attack here, and this will open up, and this will produce this particular compound CH3, C, CH3, CH3, single bond O minus. MgBr will sit beside this negatively charged oxygen to neutralize this entire intermediate. And at the last step, this entire reaction happens in the ether medium, that is in inert condition. And after the first step, if we do acidic hydrolysis or normal hydrolysis, this entire MgBr will be converted to alcohol group, producing our desired product. In the next question, we will do a questions. In next few questions, we will do questions from biomolecule chapter. The first question from this chapter is, write the structure of product obtained when glucose is oxidized with nitric acid. Now, the question is, write the structure write the structure Write the structure of the product obtained when glucose is oxidized with concentrated nitric acid. The answer will be, first, the structure of glucose is going to be CHO, CHOH whole 4, CH2OH. This will react with concentrated HNO3 and will get oxidized COOH, CHOH whole 4, COOH. Dicarboxylic acid known as saccharic acid.